Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you something I made with my Disney stash. I have a lot of cut-aparts, and I was trying to use them up and make a nice photo album, just to put the pictures in. Not a real fancy mini album, but just to put pictures in. Now, the cover of this measures 5 by 7, and the pages are 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. So a 4 by 6 photo would fit perfectly. So the cut-aparts, this one is 4 by 6, so I added a border to this just so it doesn't look like we're missing anything on the page. This is full spread, so you could put a 5 by 7 photo or 4 by 6. And these pages are meant to put a 4 by 6 photo on. You're going to have a little bit of the border left. But again, I was using as many of those cut-aparts and stickers as I could. Now the stickers and cut-aparts I kept open so you could still put a photo underneath that. I think this was from Say Cheese 2, but I'm not sure. And then actually I might have mixed collections too, because I think this was a newer one. But that is what I have for that one. And this is similar to the other one. It's using the same cut-aparts. And that one is too. So again, this is great for those 4 by 6 photos. You would only have to trim them down just a little bit. And if you wanted to, you could put a photo right here. You know, there's a cut-apart on every 4th page because this is made with 6 different signatures, 6 different groupings, and each one has 4 pieces. So that's what I have for you today. These are the 5 by 7 mini album as part of the Disney in September 2020 PHA Challenge.